Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am back with another review from Born Pretty store. This is the package right here. I wanted to show you how beautiful this was put together. Check it out. Very professional looking, and it just so happens so they do identify this as their professional nail art collection. Here's the back of the box. Let me go ahead and open this for you guys so you can see what beautiful collection this is. I love the bottles. Okay, so here they are. This is a set of 6. I'm going to go ahead and remove them from this plastic. Okay, so here they all are, and I'm going to say, okay, so these 6 bottles there, I'm going to say there's 3 colors are in the cool side and then 3 colors are on the warm side. To me, they remind me a lot of somewhat of a southwestern themed kind of, color collection or color combo, if you may. So I went ahead and did a southwestern theme style Aztec. Tribal, if you may, a design on one of my clients, and I'm going to leave you with that photo at the end of the video. But so let's go ahead and going back to the bottles. You can see here they have a little window where you can see the color. Here's let me grab a different color here so you can see the difference. See that? So that's nice. So you can tell the color of the gel from looking through that window. These are 10 ml bottles. Full-size brushes. Take a look. These are beautiful colors. So now the colors are identified here with the label. They have the name and the number. They do cure in 30 seconds under your LED light. Beautiful display bottles. Very professional. So yes, I'm very happy with how Born Pretty put these together. I'm going to go ahead. You're going to see me do swatches on each one of these. And then I'm going to meet you right back at the end. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so there you saw how well these polishes swatched. Now, believe it or not, yes, I went ahead and left them with a single coat. Look at the nice coverage on those tips, and these are finished with a glossy top coat. I realized I had on this bracelet, and I saw how nicely the colors kind of went with the colors that I have here on my bracelet. So I have some photos inserted with that so you guys know how pretty those came out. If you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will have all the links down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Born Pretty for sending me this beautiful collection to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.